Hello everyone, today I'll guide you on purchasing crypto via Jupiter Exchange. Begin by accessing a wallet compatible with the Solana network. Typically we use Phantom Wallet, but options like Solflare, Trust Wallet or others supporting Solana work too. For this video, let's use Phantom Wallet. Ensure some Solana is in your wallet. Without Solana, tap receive to get it via QR code or wallet address copy. Alternatively, use buy to purchase Solana with a credit card. Tap Solana or search it, input the amount, then continue. With Solana ready, which is key here, go to the magnifying glass at bottom right, labeled sites, tokens, URL. Search for Jupiter at the top. Under DeFi, search Jupe. Tap DeFi, then open. You'll reach jupe.agile, the site for connecting your wallet. Mine connected automatically, but tap the top right, then connect to link your wallet. Once linked, buying involves swapping. Sell one token to acquire another. That's the buying mechanism. You're selling USDC for Solana, but Solana covers gas fees. Switch them to sell Solana for USDC. For 5 Solana, you get this USDC amount. Just tap swap and it's done. That's the easy way. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.